But when we come, you have your land, you have your documents, then we continue there with the designing and all. We can help and see what we come out with. So anything concerning the building, we are here to help as possible.
I hope you appreciate what you have seen it. Yeah, so keep it up watching this, give us more work. We have a strong team. So all we need is your help for one us to work so that it will work. Yeah, every day there'll be a good work. So don't worry. Any drawing, any plan, any work you bring there.
Thank everyone who do view and then contact us for our job. Yadamwasi, say about me for MI Juma, MI SUAB. Yes, Yadamwasi pa.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
We've come to another episode of continuation. I hope you know from the start that this is continuation. So let's say from the ground. When climbing, the steps is not done yet, so that is the provision for it. When you enter from the main gate, this is the living area. So you can decide even not to go to the living area. You can just come to this like a lodge. So this is how it looks like. These metals are going to be continued as a pillar. This is going to stand in a way. So we have a blockage in the middle where you can have some hole within. So that in case maybe sitting here with mommy, sitting here with old lady, you know guys, sitting here with old lady, if someone is coming from the downward place, you know old lady in our thing. So that is how it's going to be. At least after you receiving the call knowing the fellow is coming, you can decide to give a sign. You clear from the other side. So there is a blockage here. So you just peep from that hole, the angle. So you can just peep there. So after you peeping there, knowing the fellow is climbing, you can have a slow thing like covering the view of old lady. Then after entering, with a little time, oh old lady, I'm tired, I want to have a rest. So you go and sleep somewhere so that I also then, old lady will be descending as you also go in. So that will be the here is a full glass where you can open and be out. You can decide to close it some. That's two main rooms. This is the living room combined with the kitchen. So you can have your dining area within. The storeroom. Yeah. So this is the first room in which we are entering. This is its size. We have one window here, one window here, and the other one will be here at this side. We are having your closet. your washroom follows. I will use the board here now. It has blocked the space, so we can't get in now. So that's it. So return. Please click. And wait here for packing of blocks for now. And we close it later when everything is up. This will be the kitchen area. So we are having a landing here. Six follows. Have a wide, very wide view looking through the park. The corridor. Which also sets up back kitchen. You can decide to sit here without no one. Then we also have the visitors toilet here. Then from there into the other room. There are three windows. One facing the other side. Then two facing this side. This is high because we have the launch there. The open space there where you can that means access anytime even without getting into. So maybe sleeping in the way somebody standing at the other side, so you have to have a high window. That's the reason. When on left, you have a closet here. Then your shower follows. So this is the arrangement and how it's going to look like. After we continue, so we update you later what is going on. Like there is a small penthouse at the top. That is later. So for now, this is what we are waiting on. Thank you.
So it's the next day and it's been raining a lot. It looks like this rain is going to continue for about a week or two. We can't lay blocks whilst the blocks are wet and soft. So before we continue, we have to wait for the block walls to get dry. But unfortunately, I'm not going to get the kind of lifestyle I was hoping for with a window view to the ocean. And this is because of the next level that I introduced to the project, which is the penthouse, which I wanted it so bad. The problem was I was hoping to have a wide windows, a big windows looking towards the ocean. But yeah, we have to minimize the size of the windows to create support for the next decking, which has a better view, so I don't mind. We eliminated two pillars in the living room, so it is very necessary to support the next level with a stronger beams. So this room is the one facing the ocean, and the plan was to keep all of this open, all of these windows to this pillar to make it a window. But yeah, it wasn't possible because we have to support it with some blocks and the beams. So yeah, it's too bad. But the next floor, we have one room which is exactly like this at the next level. So we see what we can do over there with the view. So I had a conversation with the contractor, and we've come into conclusion that after the block laying, the next step will be the staircase. So we will form the staircase, and then because we have to buy a lot of iron rods, so then the remaining iron rods we will use it for the columns, which is the pillars. So we are going to cast the pillars or the columns and the staircase at the same time to save money, because yeah, we have to pay the stem builder to do the columns as well and then the staircase. So better we combine both at the same time, and then we cast also. So that will be the next step. My plan is to finish the whole structure in 4 months time. So let's see how far we go. The rain is really slowing the process, but I believe when the dry days come, we will move faster. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Look at do